Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this with your Lightform. Let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and click New Project and we'll name it Lightform Tutorial. And then we're going to press Enter and connect to my device and skip that for now. So here we have our subject. We are going to be projecting on him, and the first thing that we're going to make sure is that we are hitting all of our subject. So as you can see here, it is not. So we'll go ahead and fix our projector, and then that way it's hitting all of the points quite clearly. So I've moved the projector back a little bit, and as you can see, we are hitting all of him quite clearly. And one thing I want to note is that you want to make sure that the subject isn't casting shadow on himself, because then it'll sort of lead to some blind spots for the projector. And we'll do a full scan, and these are typically the settings that I go, and maybe we'll click smoothing, and I'll click scan. And it'll essentially project a series of patterns in order to really get a sense of what the object is that it is projecting on. So here we have our interface, and it shows exactly what's been scanned. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this pen tool, or click P for the shortcut, and I'm going to be tracing around this robot. And I want to make sure to not really go too crazy close to the edge, just because I don't want too much spill going on. So I'm going to be doing this near the edge, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so you'll see that once I complete this sort of loop, it'll automatically create a surface for me. So that's this guy here. So what I'll go ahead and do is let's start throwing animations on there. So I'm going to click Asset Browser or Command P on Mac. And you'll see that they do have a whole bunch of built-in assets, which I think are great. My favorite is the digital fade. So let's just go ahead and see what that looks like. Let's click Insert Content. And as you can see, it'll sort of automatically show you what it will look like. Now, let's see what that looks like in real life. So let's go ahead and click Publish. And what that's going to do is it's going to start baking and rendering it and send it to my Lightform device for the projector to project. And you'll see that immediately it'll start to play the slide that we've loaded, and I think this looks pretty cool. And then say we want to have our own animation. So what we're going to be doing in that case is we're going to go back to Asset Browser, and we'll do Project Assets. And then we're going to choose a file. I'm going to go ahead and choose this file here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new slide. We're going to click this and press Insert Content. And when you click Insert a new slide, you'll see that it'll automatically have the surface from the last one. And you have the choice, obviously, to, target different surfaces and create new ones with the tools that they have there. And yeah, so, and then here you're able to, change the scale of it or even the rotation of the animation. In this case, maybe we can do it a little bit bigger. Let's see what that looks like. And yeah, so we'll see what that looks like. We'll click publish again. So here in the control panel, you can see both slides, and we'll go ahead and click slide 2 and see what that looks like in real life. And here's our final result. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and I think that Lightform does give really cool tools in order to create really cool things. So let me know if you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.